Okay ladies, so today I will be showing you how I made this double layered dress. Her name is Bella. She's being added to the collection. She comes in avocado, banana, and light pink. If you want to know how I made this dress, then please keep watching. I started by cutting out the circle skirt first. You're gonna need 2 layers. So the first one I'm cutting out will be longer than the second one, of course. This one I'm cutting out at 12 inches long. So here I'm marking under the skirt. I'm adding 12 inches all around, and then I'm gonna cut that out.
And dip me underway, you can kill your mouth with flow, hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby,
After you finish cutting, you should see your skirt looks like this. This is the second layer of the skirt, and this one I am cutting out at, I believe, 9 inches. The next section of the dress would be the bodice or the torso. Now I'm using my dress pattern to get the middle section of this dress. I'm marking it at the bra line, and I'm going down to the hip line. So at the bra line, I will be going straight across, and at the hip line, I will be adding 2 inches down to create a curve of a U shape.
deep, 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 deep.
want to cut that out twice. You need one for the front and one for the back. Next, I'm cutting out the bra. I need 4 layers of this. We are cutting out the width at 9, and the height, I believe, was also 9. I like to have all my pieces cut out and pinned together before I go to the sewing machine. Now you can sew all your side seams together. Use a loop turner to insert your straps into the bra. Next, you want to attach the bra to the bodice, and you can just pin this straight across and then top stitch.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else loves me like you do. That's why I'm honest in my life with you. I won't please you.
The next step is attaching the skirt to the bodice, and you want to insert your skirt inside your shirt and turn your shirt inside out. So one needs to be inside out, one needs to be right side out.
Any way I can, I want to share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love.
The final step is hemming the raw edges of the skirt, and once you're done with that, your outfit should be complete. And here is the final look. Again, her name is Bella. She comes in avocado, banana, and light pink. I'm adding this to my collection. If you want to see more of my items, please follow me on Instagram at CashXDesigns. Thank you.